Here's exactly how you can adjust your autosave options in Civilization 7. So first press escape, click on options, and right here we want to go to the third one, to game, and right here the second big point is autosaves. Right here you can adjust two different sliders. So the first one is autosaves amount, how many autosave that the game should save in the background. And down here you can switch the turns between every autosave. So I prefer to have this around 3. On default it's on 1. But if we have this one on 1 in the late game, this takes a few seconds to save in the background. Right here I selected 7, 6 to just have a lower storage in the background, locked with autosaves. Press confirm, click resume, and then you can play and the game will be saved automatically. Click on this video right now if you don't want to miss the best options to turn on and turn off in Civilization 7.